So I'd first like to talk about an overview of our network upgrades. And they came out of the need as our technology kept moving forward with major initiatives throughout the district. So we started here at the district data center to be able to support the environment trends out at the school sites. So as a result of the recent network remediation efforts, a number of key milestones have been met. So first and foremost, the entire district core network now operates at 10 gig. This includes all components contained within the core infrastructure, including the border router, the outside switch, the perimeter firewall, and core switch. The border router terminates the 10 gig link from the Orange County Department of Education, which is our current ISP, or Internet Service Provider. So aging hardware that was reaching end of life has been replaced with new equipment capable of meeting the district's technology needs, not only for today, but for years to come. The core, which terminates all school site WAN links, can provide full 10 gig connectivity to each site. Moving forward, school sites receiving a 10 gig capable switch will be able to utilize the 10 gig connectivity. All sites will be receiving a 10 gig capable switch. From a user's perspective, the most obvious need for the bandwidth increase is the district's BYOD and one-to-one initiatives. That leads to a huge demand for wireless infrastructure. In an effort to support the increased demand for wireless connectivity, additional access points have been installed throughout the district. Newer access points capable of higher speeds are used in all new installations. Older access points that are replaced as a result of these upgrades are utilized at sites that lack sufficient wireless coverage until high-density APs can be installed. Because of the additional capacity and the needs of the district, there's a high dependency on internet-based services inside and outside of the classroom. District operations utilize critical systems contained within the data center, which is currently only a single connection to the internet. School sites are constantly leveraging the internet as a resource in their curriculum instruction and testing. As a result, a solution is needed that provides failover access to the internet in case the primary link goes down. This is vital for the district. However, having a second internet link is only useful if the network is properly configured to route traffic automatically in the event of an outage. Also, it is important for the internet circuits to be sized appropriately to ensure adequate bandwidth is available to all users in the event of an outage. Therefore, the secondary circuit will have bandwidth capacity that is equal to the primary circuit to ensure the same level of service in the event the primary link fails. Here's the great news. The district is currently in process of installing a second gig circuit. Having a second internet link will allow the district to utilize one link for schools and the second link for business operations. Furthermore, each circuit will provide failover capabilities to the other. Once installed, a downed internet circuit will not be noticeable to the users on either side. Now, all of these upgrades and everything that we're doing, it requires some kind of management to be able to support all of these initiatives. So you may have heard the term Network Managed Solution, or NMS. Our newly installed NMS is Cisco Prime. It aids in the troubleshooting, documenting, and inventorying of the network devices. More importantly, it can alert IT staff of critical network events. It can also provide visibility into the performance characteristics of the network. So as part of the upgrades, we'll be using another important component of network management. It's called syslog. The reporting of syslog events are critical to ensure visibility across all networks. It's an additional tool. So we are adopting a syslog analysis process that will ensure that syslog messages are reviewed regularly and issues are detected promptly, allowing network administrators to respond. This is an excellent way for a reactive organization to become a proactive organization from a network operations perspective.